Hi, and welcome to Kiddos Koral, and I'm Heidi. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for zucchini linguine. So first I'm starting out with two ginormous zucchinis that a friend of mine has given me, and a large onion that I have chopped. And now you're seeing me prep my tomatoes. I'm just cubing about 5 or 6 fresh tomatoes. I gotta tell you, I love this time of year because we have access to so many fresh vegetables in our gardens. And this recipe is by far one of my favorites. There, my tomatoes all chopped. Now I have my zucchini and my onion in a little bit of olive oil. And I have thrown in just a smidge of garlic powder. Now I'm going to toss in my tomatoes. And I just want to saute those until those are just done. Now I'm starting my water for some pasta. You can use any kind of pasta you like, but I am using spaghetti noodles. I'm going to throw in some thick and zesty seasoning right into the pot there with the vegetables. And there is my second packet. I am going to add that too. Now all the liquid, don't allow it to scare you because it will thicken. There it is. And it smells wonderful. Now, if for some reason your sauce is not thick enough, you can add a little bit of grated parmesan cheese and it will do the trick. I'm just simply showing you the pasta that I'm using. And there it is, boiling. Now my timer has just gone off. And it is time to drain the pasta. I have almost lost my colander there for a minute, but I get it set just right. And I get my spaghetti nice and drained. There is my pasta, all done, and there's my sauce. And you're just going to simply put your sauce on top of your pasta and add a little bit more cheese, and it is wonderful. I do hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.